It's finally here. 3 days of carnival, partying, drinking, eating, whatever you want for 3 days. This afternoon I will go to the parade, take some pictures with the Nikon Z50 II, with the DX50 to 250, 4.5 to 6.3 budget lens. I already made a review about this, but this afternoon I will take pictures of the parade. Now I will not be commentating because music is being played and I might get copyrighted when I upload the video, so I'm not gonna risk it. I will probably be unable to shoot video and take photos simultaneously because of the weather. It's too cold, it's too snowy. You will see what I mean in a second. So the photos will be not exactly on the spot with the video, but I will show the photos on top of the video once in a while, you will see. But yeah, I hope you understand. It was really annoying to make a video like this. Hi, my name is Peter from Life in Pixels, and what I do on this channel is like make POV videos with the Nikon Z50 II. Right, let's hit the roads. It will be cold. It's 2 degrees Celsius, which is 35.6 Fahrenheit, I believe. We're gonna get snow, we're gonna get rain. In short, it'll be freezing.
Take on the world. We're gonna take on the world. Standing up tall, we gotta make it our own. No waiting around. Winners will never look down. No one can stop us, we got it. The future is right in our hands. Give it 100%.
If you want to see more about the Nikkor Z50 to 250mm, I got a video right here. Definitely check it out, and I see you in the next one. Bye.